exercise 1.2. Here is question number 1. Express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime numbers. Express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime numbers. Here is the first bit 140, second number is 156, third number is 3825, fourth bit 5005 and fifth bit 7429. Let us solve the first bit now. We have to express 140 as the product of prime numbers. If you look at 140, you can find 0 in units place, therefore it is divisible by 2. So you can write 140 as 2 into 70. Again 70 is divisible by 2. Therefore, first of all, you write this 2 and later 70 as 2 into 35. Now 35 is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? No. Then this is divisible by 5. First of all, you write 2 into 2. Later 35 can be written as 5 into 7. Therefore, in total, 140 can be written as 2 into 2, that is 2 square, into 5 into 7. Now we will solve another bit, that is 156. Second bit is 156. Since the units place is 6, it is divisible by 2. 2 into 78. Write this first 2. Again, since 8 is 8, 2 into 78 39 times, therefore it is 2 into 2 into 39. Now 39 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. 3 in 39 13 times. Now 2 into 2 is 2 square into 3 into 13. And another bit. Let us solve fourth bit now. 5005. 5005. Since the units place is not an even number, it is not divisible by 2. If we add, you will get 10, which is also not divisible by 3. Since you can find 5 units place, it is divisible by 5, we know. Therefore, this is 5 into 1001. Again, this 1001 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 5 into 7 into 143. This 143 is divisible by 11. Therefore, this is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. This is how you can divide any number as prime factors. Now question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. I shall repeat. Find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Here is the first bit 12, 15, 21. Second bit 17, 23, 29. Third bit 8, 9 and 25. And fourth bit 72 and 108. And we may solve 2 bits in this solution now. First bit is 12, 15, 21. First of all, we divide 12 as prime factors. 12 is 2 into 6. 6 is 2 into 3. Therefore, in total 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. And 15. 15 is 3 into 5. And 21. 21 is 3 into 7. Now let us find HCF first of all. How to find HCF? HCF is the product of all common factors with their least exponents. First of all, write the common factors from all the 3 values. From all the 3 numbers, what are the common factors? Here 2 is a factor of 12, but you cannot find 2 in 15, therefore leave it. Here 3 is a factor of 12, 3 is also a factor of 15, and 3 is also a factor of 21. Therefore, you write 3. And there is no other common factor. Therefore, HCF of 12, 15 and 21 is 3. HCF is the product of common factors with their least exponents. Next, let us find LCM. In order to find LCM, list out all the factors. The factors of 12, 2 into 2. You write it. Here 1, 3. Here also 1, 3. Here also 1, 3. You write the 3. Here 5. Different factor is 5. Here the different factor is 7. You write all the different factors. And then you multiply now. 2 2s 4. 4 3s 12. 12 5s 60. And 67 is 420. Therefore, LCM is the product of all factors with their highest exponents. and the second bit. We will solve the fourth bit now. 72 and 108. 72. Let us divide 72 into prime factors. 2 in 72 36 times, and again 2 in 36 18 times, and again 2 in 18 9 times, and now this 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Now 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 cube into 3 square, and again 108. 2 in 108 54 times, and 2 in 54 27 times, and 3 in 27 9 times, and 3 in 9 3 times. Therefore, this is 2 into 2, 2 square, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. You wrote 72 as 2 cube into 3 square, and 108 as 2 square into 3 cube. And let us find HCF. HCF is the product of common factors with least exponents. Now you observe the factors of 72 and 108. Here 72 factors 2 and 3. Here also 108 factors 2 and 3. Therefore the common factors are 2 and 3. Next, least exponents. Out of 2 cube and 2 square, the least exponent is 2. Therefore we write 2 square. Out of 3 square and 3 cube, the least exponent is 2. Therefore you write 3. Therefore you write 3 square. Now 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. 4 into 9 is 36. Therefore HCF of 72 and 108 is 36, where HCF is the product of common factors with their least exponents. Next, LCM. In order to write LCM, LCM is the product of all factors with their highest exponents. Again, here the factors are 2 and 3. Here also factors are 2 and 3. Therefore write 2 and 3 first of all. Then what about the exponents? Here the exponent of 2 is 3. Here the exponent of 2 is 2. The highest exponent is 3. Therefore we write 2 cube. And this is 3 square and this is 3 cube. Highest exponent is 3 cube. We write 3 cube. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. And 8 27s is 216. Therefore LCM is the product of all factors with their highest exponents. Now question number 3. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Here is the solution. We have given the number 6 power n. You divide 6 into prime factors. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Therefore 6 power n is 2 into 3 whole power n. But the question is, we have to check whether 6 power n is end with 0. Here the factors of 6 are only 2 and 3. But in order to get 0 at the end, 0 means it should be either the multiple of 10. If it is a multiple of 10, 10 is nothing but 2 into 5. Therefore 2 and 5 should be the factors. In any number, if 2 and 5 are the factors, then that number may end with 0. But here in 6, the factors are 2 and 3. But 5 is not a factor of 6. Since 5 is not a factor of 6, 2 and 5 are not there as factors of 6, it is not end with 0. To end with 0, we should have 2 and 5. But 5 is not a factor of 6. Therefore, 6 power n can't end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Question number 4. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. I shall repeat. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Here is the solution. Let us consider the first bit. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Here this is one expression and this is other expression. You can find 13 in both. Therefore take 13 common. If we take 13 common, then 7 into 11 are there in the first space. And this is 13. You took already 13 common. Therefore 1 is there. As 13 is nothing but 13 into 1. You took already 13 common. Therefore 1. This is 13 into 7 11 77 plus 1. This is 13 into 78. For this product, this whole number can be written as 13 into 78. If you observe this, it has 1 as a factor and it has the whole product as a factor, and 13 is a factor and 78 is also a factor, and besides this there are 2 and other factors are also there. Therefore there are more than 2 factors. Since there are more than 2 factors, this given number is a composite number. And second bit, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 plus 5, and again you take 5 common now. 5, if you take 5 common, then you have 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If we take 5 common from 5 into 1, we have 1. This is 5 times of. If you multiply 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2, you will get 1008 plus 1. This is 5 into 1009. Again, besides 1 and the whole number, this 5 and 1009 are also factors. Therefore, the given number has more than 2 factors and it is a composite number. What is meant by composite number, students? Good. Composite number means it should have more than 2 factors. Any number with more than 2 factors is called composite number. Then how can you call a number which is having only 2 factors? Okay. The number with only 2 factors is called prime number. Then is there any number with less than 2 factors? Good. 1 is the number with less than 2 factors. 1 has only 1 factor. Therefore 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now look at question number 5. How will you show that 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5 is a composite number, and explain. In the same model you can do this also. Here the given question is 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5. Here if you observe these two values, 17 into 11 is common. Therefore it is 17 into 11 into here this is 2 plus this is 5, 2 plus 5. 17 into 11 into 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore the given number is written as 17 into 11 into 7. For this, 1 is a factor, 7 is a factor, 11 is a factor, 17 is a factor. How many factors? Good. There are more than 2 factors. Since the given number has more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. Now question number 6. What is the last digit of 6 power 100? Here 6 power 1 is 6. If you find 6 square means 6 into 6 is 36. 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6 is 216. And if you find 6 power 4, it is 1296. Like this. If you observe 6 power 1 and with 6 square units digit is 6, 6 cube units digit is 6, 6 power 4 units digit is 6, and so on. Therefore, the last digit of 6 power 100 is 6 only. And if you have any doubts, you can post them in the comment section. Thank you one and all.